right, Tri-5 fans, here's one to take a look at. Just did it unique, especially in classics. And it's a beauty. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. And this one is loaded with equipment and accessories. Frame-up restoration done approximately 10 years ago is all. Era correct 265 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission. And catch this, power steering, power brakes, AC. Original black onyx car. Two-tone beige and red interior. Take a look at the front grille, bright work bumper, headlight surrounds, hood ornament, all showing very well on this car. Now, still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. All right, for some of these accessories, I want to point out, first of all, take a look at the front bumper. So we have the bumper guards on the ends, and any of you Tri-5 guys can chime in down in the comments if I miss anything. Of course, the bumperettes on the front or bumper guard up front, so you have both ends of center. Those would have been accessories that were added. We do have a little later model halo style headlight, so you have a little better view at night in the dark if you're driving this car. As you can see, paint shows extremely well on it. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures. We have white wall radials, and then check out the wheel covers. How about some of these rock guards? Fingernail guard around the door handle here. Again, those would have been aftermarket accessories on it. Has rear view mirrors on both doors. Let you take a peek at this interior. It looks as good as the rest of the car. Seat belts have been added. Beautiful interior, custom stereo installed, retro sound with a JL audio sub in the trunk, custom speaker installation. It has Bluetooth capability, Sirius XM capability. You'll be able to see the antenna right there in the rear deck for the XM. There's two auxiliary inputs. Beautiful setup on the stereo too. All right, take a look at these panels. Now, with black paint, that bodywork isn't done professionally, let's put it that way, and done with care and quality and somebody that knows what they're doing. It's really gonna show, especially with black paint. Look at how straight those panels are and how well that paint looks laid on there. Very nice job, excellent restoration. Does come with fender skirts. We do not have them installed right now, as you can see. Wanted to show it without it, but they will be included. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust exiting the rear. Now we do have Continental kit. Take a look at the bumper guards again on the rear bumper. A lot of chrome on this car, and it is in nice shape. Take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Another kind of scratch guard back by the gas door. So again, a lot of accessories. When we get to the interior of this car, you're also going to see power windows and power seat. If you're into Tri-5 Chevys, maybe just Chevys in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. This being a prime example, very high-end, nice Tri-5. So subscribe to that YouTube channel. If you like checking out cars, when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you can see us in person. And as you can see, the driver's side of this car looks as good as the passenger side. Take a look at the reflection in that paint. Very nice. All right, let's move on to the interior, which is no exception either and will not disappoint. What a great color combination. Take a look at the data tag. You're going to be able to see the original trim and the original paint codes in this car. Door panels look fantastic. I mentioned power windows. Also mentioned power seat. What do you say we fire it up? And we'll check out that engine bay, see how it runs. Anytime I've started the car, that's how it fires up every time. It's a very stock looking dash. Found another accessory, tissue dispenser underneath the dash. You can see, check out this retro sound style radio too. If it didn't have the digital part on it right now, you wouldn't even know it. It's got the Wonder Bar look to it.
I had found the one that I had always dreamed about.
And like I mentioned, excellent sounding. Custom speaker installation down here in the kick panels, you can see. And like I said, that sub at the back, JL audio. Take a look at the still pictures. Auto dimming headlights, and what I like to call the navigation system. How about that? Power glide transmission instructions. Gotta remember, pretty sure that would have been an option in this car. Would have came with a manual. What, 3 on the tree? Chevy Tri 5 experts, can you fill me in? Was Bel Air different? Go ahead, put it down in the comments. Somebody out there that like Bel Airs has to be watching this video. Look at how that door closes. Wow. Let's take a listen. Sounds good and looks good. This car's been well maintained. It's ready to go. Turn the key, go have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I guarantee you this one will take home some trophies. Let me go ahead and pause this. Let's get this hood pop, check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's taking this car for a drive. I think I know how it's going to go down the road, but you stick around, he'll take you for a virtual ride. You can see for yourself. Yeah, underside of the hood, just as clean as the rest of the car. And let's check out this engine bay. There it is. Again, era correct, 265 cubic inch V8. As you can see, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor. Battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. They don't get much cleaner or tidier underneath the hood than that, folks. Wow. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop, and it's a sweetheart. Frame up restoration, approximately 10 years ago or less. Call us 507-3866-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a really, really nice 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air in black with red interior. With a little bit of beige, a little bit of chrome. It's a very nice looking car. Retro sound style radio in the dash. And that is working very well. This is an automatic right here on the column, so it's easy to drive. Our turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge showing 1/8 of a tank, between 1/8 and 1/4. I haven't seen the temperature gauge move yet. Very nice looking interior, great looking paint, smooth running car, nice and tight in the handling. Power windows, getting a really smooth ride from this car. Just enough road feel to know what the road is doing, you know. Great great looking headliner. Updated with some speakers in the kick panel. That's part of why the stereo sounds so good. Power brakes work very well. Nice and smooth. Great rumble to that exhaust. You gotta have a good rumble in a 55 Chevy. Especially red and black like this. Such a good looking car. Nice firm shifts from that automatic transmission. Cruises down the road like nothing else. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.